In this video, I'll walk through our brand mention detection page at a high level. We'll look at how it loads data and how the heat map drives navigation. And we'll cover two modes, the library view and the per video view. Before we dive into the code, here's the end-to-end flow at a glance. So for brand mention detection, we only use the videos in the creator index because this feature is about detecting the brands or products mentioned in creator videos. So first we call get videos to fetch the list of all creator videos. And then we call get video to retrieve the details of each video. And here's the checking point. Do we already have user underbar metadata? If yes, we go straight to render user metadata and display creator styles, tones, like this. And if no, we call analyze video to generate brand mention events and metadata, then put video to save those data into user underbar metadata, and finally render. For more details on analyze video request, you can check the previous video about the creator brand match. So for now, let's look at the code. We are in app brand mention detection page.tsx. So this component is a client-side React page that fetches creator videos, analyzes brand mention events, and renders an interactive heat map. So we keep core states like videos, events per video, analysis per video, like tones, styles, creators, and durations, and view mode. View mode is either library or per video. And we also predefine number of buckets to 50, which controls the heat map's time resolution. And let's take a look at the data fetching part. If we scroll down a bit. So after videos load, we extract durations and then fetch brand mention events for each video. So if you look at this function, we are making a request to API/brand mentions/events. And all API results are normalized into local maps, events by video, and analysis by video. And for the heat map data prep, we scroll down. So heat map data drives the heat map component. First, in library view, rows are videos, and we aggregate brand exposure over normalized time buckets and also prepend a total exposure row. And then per video view, rows are brands for that selected video, again with a total exposure row. So now let's look at the library view, and we go back to the application. So on the top part, there's filters, and then the brand mentioned heat map, and the videos, creator videos. So if we go back to the code, yeah, so this is the start of the library view page. So the filters panel lets you refine by creator, format, styles, tones, and brands. And a duration slider and time window inputs further restrict events. And then the heat map shows each video as a row with bucketed brand exposure across the timeline. And handle heat map cell click. So clicking any heat map cell switches to the per video view for that specific video. And then if we, and below the heat map, there's a responsive grid of video cards. Each card shows a thumbnail, creator label, brand count, and format label. And moving on to per video view. So the top part has the video information, the details, and there's filter for brands, and then there's a brand mentions heat map. So in the code, so in per video view, we show video information like creator, styles, tones from analysis by video. And the brand filter here shows only brands present in this video. And selecting brands refines the heat map rows. And heat map now lists brands as rows for the selected video, and bucket values represent brand visibility over time. And clicking a heat map cell inside handle heat map cell click, we find the corresponding event for that bucket using the same bucketing logic as the heat map. And then lastly, we open the video modal symbol and play a precise segment of the video that highlights the mention. So we click one of the time cells, it will open the video modal that shows or plays the exact moment where that product or brand is showing, like this. Right, so that's the high-level overview of page.tsx for brand mention detection. Thanks for watching.